Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Show Azuddin. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. So today's my vlog is we going to change this brake pad or brake shoe for this van, Suzuki Carry or Holden, Scurry, Bambi, Bedford Rascal, Maruti, Omni, the same part. So this code body is sk410. Right, so let's go. Okay guys, if you wanted to loosen your nut, tire nut, make sure you put a brick or anything to make sure the tire doesn't move. And so you're gonna open it. Alright, loosen up. Make sure you loose your nuts before you jack your tire. Okay guys, done. This part is done. So we have loosened the tire nut, and then now we go into jack. Okay guys, so now we jack until the tire cannot. For the screw, and remove the tire. Okay, so we going to move forward here in front. New brake pad, so we need to alter it a bit. So as you can see, the curve is there. Done. Okay guys, now as you can see, this is the caliper brake pump, so we gonna lose this. We spray a bit of this anti-rust here and here. this step is very easy step. Okay, open. It's already open up. Spray a bit, and then alright. So screwdriver. Make sure to push the piston inside. So we clamp, then it removes. Can you see? We clamp just now and we remove. Pull it up, and this is the old brake pad. Old brake pad. So we have removed the old brake pad. Insert the new one. Nice. Fit in. Oh, sorry. Okay. Nice. Fit in. Okay. Go to in front. Okay. We're gonna remove this one. This one. Right. So remove the one. This one have been removed. And now we remove this first. This. Okay guys, as for me, I like to tie this on. As you can see, tie the brake pump on above, so easy for us to clamp this brake piston and push it inside. This. So if we don't tie it, guys, if we not tie the piston, so it's a bit difficult for us to push it inside. Push it fits in nicely. right, like that. So you can see, and then make sure, and then remove it. Insert this thing up. Okay, the end, and then remove the tie on. Okay guys, we have removed this rope that we tie, and then we just insert this thing inside like that. Oh, okay, nice. And then put it on. And we tie it. Alright, nice. Okay, now set the pin. Nice. Done. Everything's done. So now put your tire. Done. So now just put our tire on. Right. So we try to rotate the rims. Push the brake. Take the rim. Push the brake. Nice. Okay guys, everything works nice. Okay. Right. Done.